Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the scene so you can make repeatable takedowns. Open Roblox Studio, load the place, and save a new version so you can revert if needed. Once done, enable Explorer and Properties from View so you can inspect objects. Find the target model and set or confirm its primary part. This makes scripting physics and welds predictable. Make sure collisions and anchored states are visible. Those two properties determine whether a takedown will simulate or simply teleport the object. Now you implement the takedown logic so the object reacts convincingly. Insert a script on the server for world props or a local script for client-only visuals. Reference the model via its primary part and sequence three things. Play a hit animation or sound, unanchor the model, and apply a temporary body velocity or body force to mimic impulse. Use constraints like hinge or motor 6D if you need rotational collapse. Make sure to wait for physics to settle before cleaning up, and use small randomized vectors. Finish by testing and polishing so takedowns feel solid. Run play and observe how the model falls. Adjust force magnitude, direction, and duration until it reads well against animations. After the event, either re-anchor the object, destroy debris, or restore original state after 5 to 10 seconds, using debounce to prevent repeated triggers. If you see jitter or explosive motion, reduce applied impulses, add damping via assembly angular velocity limits, or slightly increase part mass so the physics solver is stable. That single tweak fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.